Welcome to RIT. DOEC Triple C Syllabus PowerPoint Part 2. Online contents for course on computer concept. The syllabus are Introduction to Computer, Introduction to GUI based operating system, Elements of word processing, spreadsheet, computer communication and internet, World Wide Web and web browser, communication and collaboration, and making a small presentation. Here we'll discuss about PowerPoint Part 2. Creating a new presentation. You can create a new presentation in several ways. You can start by working with the Auto Content wizard, in which you begin with a presentation that contains suggested contents and design. Another way to start a presentation is by selecting a design template that determines the presentation design but does not include contents. You can also begin with an outline you import from another application, or with a blank presentation that was neither suggested contents or nor design. Creating a presentation based on a design template. On the File menu, click New and then click the Design Templates tab. Scroll to see all the design templates. Click the one you want and then click OK. You can also find more templates at additional locations. Scroll to see the slides layout and then select a layout for your title slide. Type the title and any other contents you want on the title slide. On the formatting toolbar, click Common Task, click New Slide and then select a layout for the next slide. Add the contents you want. Repeat step 5 and 6 for each new slide. When you finish, click Save on the File menu. Name your presentation and then click Save. To see how your slide show will look, click Slide Show at the lower left of the PowerPoint windows. Creating a blank presentation. On the standard toolbar, click New and then select the layout you want for your title slide. Type the title, any other contents you want on the title slide. You can add text in either the slide pane or the outline pane. Click Common Task on the formatting toolbar and then click New Slide. Scroll to see more layouts and then select a layout for next slide. Add the contents you want. Repeat step 3 and 4 for each new slide. Change the presentation to suit your needs. When you finish, click Save on the File menu. Name your presentation and then click Save to see how your slideshow will look. Click Slideshow at the lower left of the PowerPoint window. Entering text. The easiest way to add text to a slide is to type it directly into any placeholder on the slide. If you want to add text outside a placeholder, add text by using the text box tools. The step of insert the text through text box are as follows. On the drawing toolbar, click text box. To add text that doesn't wrap, click where you want to add the text and start typing, or to add text and doesn't wrap, drag to where you want to add text and then start typing. Editing text. In PowerPoint, once you write the text in different placeholder, you can edit the text from the options available in the edit menu bar, such as cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, etc. The steps to the following tasks are as follow. Cut and paste. Select the text from the placeholder which you want to cut. Click at the edit menu bar. Click at the cut option from the edit menu. Then position the insertion point where you want to paste if you want to do so. Select the paste option from the edit menu bar to paste the text. Note, you can do the above task using standard toolbar also. Copy and paste. Select the text from placeholder which you want to copy. Click at the edit menu bar. Click at copy option from the edit menu. Then position the insertion point where you want to paste. Select the paste option from the edit menu bar to paste the text. You can do the above task using a standard toolbar also. Undo and redo command. If you erase the text by mistake, you can restore it without retyping it. PowerPoint remembers all of the editing you performed during the session, so you can undo almost every action you perform. If you undo an action, then change your mind again. You can initially redo it step to the respective task through standard toolbar as following. Pull down the undo button in the standard toolbar. A list of action will be displayed. The item at the top of the list is last action you performed. Click on the item you want to undo. If you want to redo the same action, you can do it with the help of redo button available next to undo button in the standard toolbar. You can do the above task using the edit menu bar also. Inserting and deleting slide. A presentation slideshow can contain as the mini slide as you want. The first slide should be the title slide as the already discussed from second slide onward. You can choose any slide type that meets your slide information requirements. In general, a new slide can be inserted in the presentation from Insert menu. Select the New Slide option or press Ctrl+M keys to get a new slide immediately. At times you may want to exact duplicate slide of the current slide and convert it with same changes. In such a case, choose a duplicate slide option of the Insert menu. Sometimes you will like to use some slides already created by you for some other presentation slideshow in the current one. To do so, from Insert menu, select the slide from File options. This will open up the Slide Finder dialog box through which you can locate and insert the desired slides in your current location. To go to next slide, select the desired slide in Outline section of the normal view or press Page Up or Page Down key in normal view. Delete a slide. We can delete the slide in many ways, such as through Edit menu bar through Slide Sorter view. Step to delete the slide through Edit menu. At first, select the slide you want to delete. On the Edit menu, click Delete Slide. To delete multiple slides, switch to Slide Sorter view. Hold down Ctrl while you click the slide and then click Delete Slide. In case you want to show some tabulated data, you can do with many ways, such as inserting table from Word file or can choose layout option of PowerPoint. You can insert data from Excel worksheet as well. You can also create a table in presentation without using MS Word. Step to insert a Word table. Select the slide in which you want to add a table. Click at the Insert menu bar and then click the Option table from Insert menu bar. Enter the number of rows and column you want. Click OK. Same dimension table will be inserted. Enter the data in the table cell. Use the Word tool and menus to format the table. For example, to add border to the table, use the Table Auto Format command on the table menu. Click outside the table to return to the slide. Step to insert an Excel worksheet in presentation. Select the slide in which you want to add an Excel worksheet on the Insert menu. Click at the option Object from the Insert menu bar. Insert Object dialog box will appear, from which you can either choose Create New or Create from File. If you click at the option Create from File, then Browse option will appear. Click at Browse to find the Excel file. Click at OK. PowerPoint Part 2. The end.